coming into Millersburg, I decided to go down to Walmart and get a few things for the hotel. It's just kind of nice to get away for a weekend and ride and enjoy some company together. Hopefully you enjoy the sights as we do. This is Millersburg off of Route 39. It's a nice little town. We loved stopping at the hotel here and getting a bite to eat. If you're ever out this way, I would suggest that you stop. It's at the hotel. It's good food. I don't know about you guys, but I just love the old architecture of these buildings throughout time and these older cities. I think it is just beautiful. Sometimes I wish I lived back around. I hope you enjoy as much as we do. As I said earlier, the architect in the old part of town is out of this world. This is the newer part of town with the new shops and that down. We gotta live with the new and the old. As this video comes to an end, we hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed writing and putting these on. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. And please tell a friend about our channel. We would love to see our channel grow. As always, remember, keep the rubber side down and be safe out there. And watch out for the idiots.